Ohayo gozaimasu Primary School. It's Wednesday, May 9th, and it's Day C. I'm Natsumi.
And I'm Mina, and here are your morning announcements. MYP Production Canterbury Tales will premiere tomorrow and will also have a show on Friday at 6 p.m. in the secondary theater. Tickets on sale at primary reception 100,000 VND for adults and 50,000 VND for students.
Good luck to those participating in the SuperT International Finals today at the secondary campus. Meet in front of Miss Anna's art room at break before heading over. Good luck to Sreyas, Seojun, Phuc, and then Jack, Nhat Quang, and Tom.
The under-9 girls football team will be playing AIS at ISHCMC team. It is dismissed at 2:25 p.m.
Shout out loud and join ISHCMC at the 5K Coloring Me Run 2018 this Saturday, May 12. There is a special ISHCMC discount code which can be found in My ISHCMC.
Grade 3D students asking for donations of used blankets and jackets that are still in good condition, as well as empty plastic water bottles with lids. All process going to Journey of Youth charity. Bring donations to room 201 this week.
Please bring your donated sports equipment to room 311. A group of grades 3C students plan on donating to the charity Blue Dragon to support children who do not otherwise have the opportunity to play sports.
Wash is looking for donations of toothbrushes and toothpaste, soap, and shampoo and other toiletries.
Friday Readathon will continue until this Friday.
MakerSpace is open to grade 1, 2, and 3s today at morning recess.
Joke of the day. What is a drummer's favorite vegetable?
What?
A beet.
Random fact of the day. The life of an NBA basketball lasts for 10,000 individual bounces.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. Benjamin Spock.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a wonderful Wednesday.